In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name and your display name on your Zoom profile. So it is a quick and easy process. So let's get straight into the video without any further ado. So to firstly change your name on Zoom, you will firstly need to be logged into your account. After you've been logged in, you can head over to the My Account section and then go to the profile option. After you go to the profile option, the first option you will see is your name and your display name. You can change both of these by clicking on edit. Now from here you can change your name on the Zoom account and also your display name. This is a name that will show up during a meeting. So you can remove this name from here and type in any other name and then click on save. That's how easily you can change your name on Zoom. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this on a regular basis. So make sure that you are notified for any future videos. That will be it for this video, and I'll be back soon with more. Thank you for watching.